bottles of the best French champagne, tables full of canapés and cucumber sandwiches, balloons, banners, and music. Stephen Hawking, the famous theoretical physicist of the University of Cambridge, had everything ready to give the feast of the century in June 2009. But despite his preparation, no one came. This party would become a memorable anecdote. If you like science and curiosity-related content, don't forget to subscribe and like it, so you can be aware of more fascinating stories like this. Let's discover the story behind Hawking's party. Hawking's party was not just a celebration, but a social experiment. In 1992, Hawking had proposed that time travel was impossible. So, by organizing this party, he was proving that time travelers did not exist, and at the same time, joking with the theorists who believed in his possibility. In fact, the party became a kind of Hawking joke. The idea was that if travelers existed in time, they could have attended its celebration. However, despite the irony, there was no evidence that such travelers existed, which Hawking considered as a confirmation of his theory. The search for time travelers did not stop with Hawking. In 2014, a team of physicists from the Michigan Institute of Technology decided to look for clues about possible temporary trips using the internet and social networks. Their approach was different. They were not looking for travelers, but signs of clairvoyance. The team focused on two significant events: Comet Ison and the name Jorge Bergoglio would choose during his papacy. Both events fulfilled the necessary characteristics, but the search proved fruitless. They only found a reference to the Pope's name, which proved to be speculative. The question of whether time travel is possible remains unanswered. Although many think it is a banal issue, discussions about the possibility of temporary travel are very relevant. What is interesting is that, according to our current scientific theories, there is nothing to prohibit such travel. In time, we will talk again about the current polemics about temporary travel. But today I want to remind you that if you ever meet in Cambridge on June 28, 2009, you are invited to Stephen Hawking's party. Let's drink to that. The story of Hawking's party is a reminder that science and curiosity go hand in hand. It invites us to reflect on the possibilities of time and space. What do you think about time travel? Do you think that one day will be possible?